Good evening, boys and girls. Welcome back with the third puzzle. The third puzzle, a binary puzzle in the additional of today's newspaper on Tuesday, September the 10th, 2024. Already solved two puzzles, the 3 stars and the 4 stars Sudoku. Two puzzles are left. Yes, it's the Jigsaw Sudoku, and this one you are interested. It's the binary puzzle. Yes, binary puzzle number 9250. And before I start, I always count the printed digits. This one has 18 printed digits. 18, that's a lot. 18. And what kind of binary puzzle is this one? Let me count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 by 8. Binary puzzle. That means in a row or in a column there are always 4 ones and 4 O's. Alright, so let's get started. Let me start with a double or ones. Double ones, here no, there no. 4 O's we have here, so let's start ones. Double ones, here no, there no. Double ones, here no, there no. Between 2 O's comes in 1. 4 ones we have here, so let's start O's. Then between 2 O's comes in 1. Between the ones comes in O. Between the O's comes in 1. 1, 2, 3, 4 ones. So that's the O's. 4 O's we have here. So that's the ones. Then double O's. Here one, there one. Between the ones comes an O. Let me think. Between the ones comes an O. 4 O's we have here. So that's the ones. 4 ones we have here, so that's our O's. 4 ones we have here, so the rest are O's. 4 O's we have here, so the rest are ones. Between the ones comes no. Between the ones comes no. 4 O's we have here, so the rest are ones. Double O's, here one, there one. Double ones, here no, there no. Double O's, here one, there one. 1, 2, 3, 4 ones, so the rest are O's. Between the O's comes in 1. Between the ones comes in O. 4 ones we have here, so the rest are O's. 4 O's we have here. No, 4 ones we have here, so the rest are O's. 1, 2, 3, 4, correct. And between the O's comes in 1. And 1, 2, 3, 4 ones, so the rest are O's. Double check. 1, 2, 3, 4, correct. In 2 minutes, we solve this easy puzzle, binary puzzle. We solve it again, and I like this one. Yes, I really do think so. Thumbs up, otherwise thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it and solve myself. Thank you again for watching. See you in a minute with the last puzzle for today, the Jigsaw Sudoku, aka Tectonic. Until then, bye bye for now.